For long bathroom renovations that involve installing vinyl plank flooring, choose knee protection that combines firm support with comfortable cushioning to prevent pain and reduce injury risk. Select thick, adjustable knee pads with a hard outer cap and dense foam or gel interior for even pressure distribution and impact absorption. Make sure the straps are wide and adjustable so you can tighten them without cutting off circulation, and check fit before starting each shift. If your work requires sliding or repositioning, pick knee pads with a smooth, low-friction outer surface so you can move without twisting your knees. For tasks requiring frequent kneeling in one spot, use a high-density foam kneeling pad at least 1 inch thick to spread load across a larger area and reduce pressure points. Alternate kneeling with sitting on a low stool or using a raised work platform to change joint angles and reduce cumulative load on the knees. Keep a routine of short breaks every 20 to 30 minutes to stand, stretch, and walk, which helps restore blood flow and reduces stiffness. Common mistakes include using thin, garden-style pads that compress too easily and offer poor protection, which you can avoid by choosing pads with firm core layers and trying them on with your work pants. Another issue is tightening straps either too loose or too tight. If straps are loose, the pad slides and creates shear, and if too tight, you impede circulation. So adjust straps until the pad stays put and you can wiggle your toes. A third concern is relying only on knee pads for long stretches. Pair pads with alternating positions, such as sitting on a small bench or using a kneeling pad, and schedule regular breaks to prevent overuse injuries. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share real-world tips on topics like knee protection and flooring installation. We help contractors find work by letting them join conversations, showcase experience, and connect with homeowners looking for help.